During the 2022 Oscars, a moment that became widely known as the slap occurred. Comedian Chris Rock was on stage presenting the Academy Award for Best Documentary Feature. During his introduction, he made a joke referencing Jada Pinkett Smith's bald head, suggesting a possible G.I. Jane sequel. Initially, Will Smith seemed to laugh at the joke, but Jada Pinkett Smith appeared visibly upset. Moments later, Will Smith approached the stage, slapped Chris Rock, and returned to his seat. The incident immediately became a topic of intense debate on social media. Many questioned whether the act amounted to a crime and if Smith should face legal consequences. According to criminal defense attorney Alan Jackson, a former Los Angeles County prosecutor, the incident could be classified as misdemeanor battery. However, for an arrest on a misdemeanor to occur, it either has to happen in front of authorities or the person against whom the crime was allegedly committed must file a formal complaint with the police. Given that Chris Rock did not file a complaint, a case against Smith was unlikely to proceed without Rock's involvement. The Los Angeles Police Department LAPD stated that the individual involved, Chris Rock, declined to file a police report. While the LAPD was aware of the incident, they emphasized that if Rock desired a police report at a later date, they would be available to complete an investigative report. This highlights the significant role of the victim's wishes in such cases. Loyola Law School professor Laurie Levinson mentioned that while the act could technically be considered an assault, not every bad act becomes a criminal case. She emphasized that the criminal justice system has many priorities, and this incident might not be at the top of the list. Levinson also pointed out that victims of more severe violent crimes, who have less influence than Rock, are often overlooked. There was speculation online that if the incident had involved average individuals rather than celebrities, the authorities might have responded differently. However, Lou Shapiro, a criminal defense attorney and former public defender, believes that Smith did not receive special treatment because of his celebrity status. He stated that unless it's a domestic violence case, the LAPD is unlikely to use resources on a simple battery incident with no injury, especially if the victim is not pursuing charges. Despite avoiding criminal charges for the altercation with Chris Rock, Will Smith faced repercussions from the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. They banned him from Academy events, including the Oscars, for 10 years. Notably, Smith had resigned from the Academy just a week prior to this announcement.